3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時係41至到62公里。喺凌晨4點，熱帶低氣壓米娜集結喺香港天文台以北大約係100公里，即係北緯23.2度、東經114.3度附近。預料向西北偏西緩慢移動，橫過珠江口北部一帶。米娜正橫過珠江口北部一帶，會喺星期六早上於本港以北100公里左右掠過，並且逐漸減弱。預料本港會繼續受其強風影響，3號強風信號至少維持至星期六朝早9點。米娜嘅雨帶正為珠江口一帶帶嚟狂風驟雨，市民請留意天氣變化，海面有大浪同埋湧浪，市民請遠離岸邊同埋停止所有水上活動。
The strong wind signal number 3 is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 km per hour are expected. At 4 a.m., tropical depression Mitag was estimated to be about 100 km north of Hong Kong Observatory, which is near 23.2 degrees north, 114.3 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest, slowly across the vicinity of the northern part of the Pearl River estuary. Mitag is moving across the vicinity of the northern part of the Pearl River estuary, and will skirt around 100 kilometers to the north of Hong Kong in the morning of Saturday. It will weaken gradually. Strong winds associated with Mitag will continue to affect Hong Kong. The strong wind signal number 3 will remain in force at least until 9 a.m. of Saturday. The rain bands of Mitag are bringing squally showers to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Members of the public should be aware of the change in weather. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports.